This story is Merry Christmas, Mom and Dad. I want to make Christmas very special just for you, so I made a Christmas wreath. I wanted to decorate some Christmas cookies just for you, but I couldn't stop tasting them. I wanted to find a Christmas present just for you, but there were too many toys to look at. So I asked Santa to bring you a special present instead. I wanted to wrap the baby's present just for you, but the tape was too sticky. I picked out a Christmas tree just for you, but it was too big to take home. I wanted to carry the Christmas balls just for you, but the box was upside down. So I got out the Christmas lights, but they were all tangled. I wanted to put the star on top of the tree all by myself, so Dad helped. On Christmas Eve, I tried to go right to sleep just for you, but I was too excited. I didn't want to make you get up too early on Christmas morning, so I brought my toys upstairs to show you. Merry Christmas, Mom and Dad.